Presenting the Lite action camera. Smooth, powerful, light. The Sony IMX206 image sensor can record in 4K or full 1080p HD at 60 frames per second for over 2 hours. It can also capture 16 megapixel still images, so you can turn those cherished moments into clear, crisp memories. The 150-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2-inch LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface, so previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is effortless. Electronic image stabilization steadies the action, and with 9 shooting modes and dozens of compatible accessories, you just need enough moments to capture. The Lite includes a rechargeable lithium battery and a micro USB cable. Just add a micro SD card. The Lite, from the new leader in action cameras.